Hi, welcome to our next WordPress tutorial, and for this one we're going to take a look at links. Links, of course, are a way for you to easily put a reference in one of your posts to basically any page that you want, and people can use those to go get more information about your topic or to find something that you find interesting that you think they may be interested in too. You always know that it's a link when it's in blue with an underline. So right now, the links that we've got in here, these are already supplied by WordPress.org. And if you click on any of these, you'll see that it comes up with the name of the blog, the web address, or where it will take you when you click on that link, a description, and that'll pop up in the little bubble over the link if someone puts their mouse to hover over a link, or below the link. It also has categories, and as we saw in the categories and tags with our posts, you can put links under different categories. Say if you wanted to put WordPress, and these would say be all of your links that would go to different WordPress articles and pages on the internet, and they can be your pages or they can be someone else's. And it also has the most used. You can add new categories just like before, and you can choose whether you want your target to come up in a blank window or tab, in a top window or tab, which will pop up a new page over top of the page they're on, or the same window or tab. Next is the link relationship, and you can put in here what the relationship is, if it's another web address of yours, whether the person is a contact, an acquaintance, a friend, or if you don't know them at all, if you've actually met them, whether they're a coworker or colleague from work, geographically where they are, whether they're a family member, or if they're a romantic interest. Some people may think that's a little too much information, but it's interesting to be able to put that in there. Next, we've got the advanced section. If you want to put the image address in, you can put that in right here. You can put an RSS address, which is a live feed that every time it's updated, it will feed into that article, any notes that you want to leave, and if you want to put a rating for the page or link that you're headed to. So you can either use any of the links that are here, or you can add a new link yourself. You can click on Visit Link, and it will take you to the link that you have put in there. You can keep the link private so no one can see it but you, and once you have everything fixed the way you want it, you can click on Update Link. Again, under Links, you can click Add New or Link Categories, and this will bring up a list of different categories that you have that you can use for your links, and you can add a new link category over here as well. So let's look in our post. The first post that I did, I actually put a link in there. So let's look in there and see what it is composed of. First of all, you can see that it's a link because when I put my mouse over it, it is in blue and a line pops up underneath. Now let's look at the HTML. In the HTML, you can see that I've put in a link with the href that will take me to where I need to go for this. I can click on that link and then click the link button on top, and it will give me the URL, a title if I want it to show up, or it can link to existing content where I would put in the word that I wanted to search, and then it would come up with pages that have that. And I could click update or cancel. If I want to unlink this word in my blog, I would just click on the broken link or unlink button. Once I were to preview this, I could pull it up and I could click on the WordPress button and it would take me right to my link. So that's why it can be a really good idea to use links in your blogs. Best way to bring your blog up higher on rankings such as Google and Yahoo is to form a successful backlinking network. So if you link to some of your friends' blogs or some company blogs and can get them to link back to you, you actually will start ranking higher in the search engines. So I hope that you see how easy it is to use the links that are in WordPress, and I hope you use them to your advantage. So thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.